I'm Mr. Z from Enerpat. Today, we're visiting a customer's installation site for the metal scrap briquetting line. Let's set off together through my lens. This company is located in Shiyu, Jiangxi, and is a high-tech enterprise producing special alloys. The company recycles high-temperature alloy steel scraps by melting them down for reuse as raw materials. Currently, the briquetting machine they use produces briquettes that are not compact enough and have a high oil content. This leads to a high oxidation rate during remelting, increasing material loss and emitting harmful gases that pollute the environment. Based on the customer's needs and challenges, we have designed a targeted solution for them. The production line includes a pre-shredder, feeding conveyor, MSAF8 single shaft shredder, ED600 oil removal machine, feeding silo, BM501 to horizontal briquetting machine, waste liquid collection tank, and an industrial cooling machine. Let me walk you through each piece of equipment on the production line. First, this is a pre-shredder into smaller pieces for further processing, which breaks down large chunks of scrap. The conveyor transports the coarsely shredded scrap to the next step of the single shaft shredder. The single shaft shredder crushes the smaller scrap into even finer pieces. Since the customer's high-temperature alloy scrap contains cutting fluids, we've included an oil removal machine. Its function is to effectively separate the scrap from the cutting fluid. The feeding silo controls the speed of the screw conveyor to ensure a steady supply of scrap to the briquetting machine. The scrap is conveyed into the feeding inlet of the briquetting machine. The machine's horizontal and vertical screws move the scrap into the compression chamber. In the compression chamber, the main hydraulic cylinder compresses the scrap into round briquettes, which are then discharged from the outlet. The production line is equipped with an industrial cooling machine, which offers better cooling compared to traditional air cooling systems. The body of our single shaft shredder is made from high-quality wear-resistant steel plates, and the tenon and mortise design makes the whole structure sturdy and durable, extending its service life. The blades are made of DC53 steel, which has undergone special heat treatment, making them tough and long-lasting. The blades are also replaceable and can be used multiple times by rotating them, saving costs and making installation and removal easy. The hydraulic cylinder of our briquetting machine is made of bow steel round steel with a hollow design, ensuring no oil leakage, safety, and durability. The compression chamber is made from high-precision, wear-resistant materials, producing uniformly sized briquettes with a long service life. Our oil removal machine has several advantages: large single-batch feeding capacity, clean oil removal, thorough solid liquid separation, and can achieve an oil removal rate of over 98%. The centrifuge's oil collection chamber is equipped with a washing system that automatically removes small chips from the oil chamber, preventing the oil outlet from clogging. Additionally, the balanced design of the oil removal machine reduces noise and vibration, improves separation efficiency, and significantly shortens the drying time for the scrap. The entire production line spans a length of 8.6 meters and a width of 6.2 meters. It operates on a 380 volts, 50 Hz power supply with a total installed power of 119.3 kilowatts and an operating power of 95.44 kilowatts. Our briquetting line has several key advantages. We've installed small waste liquid collection tanks on the single shaft shredder, conveyor, and briquetting machine, and at the same time, we provide it with a control device to efficiently separate oil and liquids. The entire production line is controlled by a PLC system, allowing for one-button startup and automated operation from the feeding conveyor to the briquetting process, greatly reducing labor costs and improving work efficiency. Mr. Hu, how is the installation progressing?
It's already installed. We're organizing the wiring and preparing for testing.
That's quick, almost ready for testing.
Yes. Once the wiring is done, we can start the test run.
Despite the hot environment, The installation worker's clothes were soaked with sweat, but he never stopped working. Even in such harsh conditions, he remained filled with a sense of responsibility and mission, knowing that each successful machine installation means the customer can work more efficiently. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the entire trial process for the high-temperature alloy scrap. The briquettes are solid and compact, with a diameter of 120 millimeters. Overall, the test run was a great success. During the following training session, the installation worker patiently explained each function button, operation process, and safety precautions to the workers, demonstrating the correct operating steps step by step. He understands that this training is not only crucial for the machine's operation but also for the workers' safety. This concludes our visit to the customer's installation site. During the visit, we collected valuable feedback and suggestions from the customer regarding the installation work. The customer highly praised the performance of our products, the professionalism of our team, and our service attitude, further strengthening the trust between us. Enerpat will continue to uphold its core value of putting the customer first, dedicating itself to providing high-quality products and services, and promoting sustainable development in the solid waste management industry. In the future, Enerpat will continue to leverage its strong technical capabilities and market experience to innovate and grow, contributing even more to the global solid waste management industry. Enerpat, the British brand, solid waste experts. See you at our next customer site.